Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
We serve those who serve and protect. We, the RPRMD office, suffice the demand of the PNP organization and the PNP personnel itself. Moving to the higher degree of rendering services, our office has created the Project ABE, dubbed as Accessibility and Briskly Issuance of the PNP Records through e-messaging system. Text mo, action ko. Pursuant to Republic Act No. 9485, all offices and government agencies which provide frontline services are hereby mandated to regularly undertake time and motion studies, undergo evaluation and improvement of their transaction systems and procedures, and to engineer the same if deemed necessary to reduce bureaucratic red tape and processing time.
RPRMD caters frontline services to more than 9,000 PNP personnel and new aspiring PNP applicants region-wide. The RPRMD is composed of Moral and Welfare Plans and Program Section, MWPPS, Recruitment, Placement, and Promotional Selection Section, RPPSS, Records Management Section, RMS, and Discipline, Law and Order Section, DILOS, and to include the frontline service, the information. Furthermore, consistent to the mandate of PNP Patrol Plan 2030 and in connection with Project DOY, dubbed as Database Management System Towards Outstanding Service Today and Years Ahead, the RPRMD has embarked innovation in the processing of documents with less paper and other office resources via text messaging system also known as ABE, which ensures the accessibility of police personnel records and fast transactions of its services.
Project ABE wants to address the major setbacks experienced by our client. As the number of PNP personnel continues to grow, the challenge to provide accessibility and management of PNP records has also increased. The bulk of transactions and the distance between PRO5 personnel and RPRMD office are of major obstacles in accessing and availing prompt delivery of its service.
With the advancement of Project DOY, RPRMD undertake necessary actions to innovate e-messaging system which aims to achieve the following objectives. First, to create a precise and accessible system in the issuance of certification and other service records upon request of the PNP and retired personnel. Second, to lessen financial burden, time and efforts of personnel from isolated or far-flung police stations in requesting certifications and other pertinent documents. And third, to have a convenient and fast transaction of the PNP personnel between RPRMD personnel with the use of mobile phones.
E-messaging system is an electronic messaging platform for police personnel to get an access on RPRMD frontline services, such as request for service records, computation of leave credits, request for duty status non-pending case certificate, and other related services.
Project ABE has two proposed options to avail its services.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
This flowchart shows the step-by-step processing of requested document as stated on Step 4. Concerns for the particular services may be addressed through the help of the following focal person. RPRMD proposed a timeline to ensure the quality and effectiveness before its possible implementation. The project shall be sourced from the maintenance and other operational expenses, MOOE, and other stakeholder support. This project aims to be completed within the period of 3 months, subject for the availability of the fund. Our salute to the little heroes of our nation. If you can reach us, we will reach you. Don't forget, text mo, action ko.